When starting a major renovation or an addition, the very first step is to perform a drain test using a test plug. This test helps us check if there are any leaks in the drainage system before we move forward.
Well, we checked that. That's for sure. It's not leaking. So we can close this up. And then over here, we stopped. This was leaking, and we stopped that leak, but we know we have to fix this.
The drain pressure test works by sealing the pipe with a test plug and filling it with water. This allows us to observe whether any leaks exist. If pressure drops or water escapes, it's a clear sign there's a leak that needs repair. But even if the pressure test doesn't reveal a major leak, it's important to also perform what we call an eye test. That means carefully inspecting the pipes for signs of wetness, rot, or damage. Sometimes pipes don't leak right away, but are wet or rotted in spots. Over time, that rot can wash away or worse, eventually leading to leaks and bigger problems down the line. Combining the drain pressure test with a thorough visual inspection helps catch both immediate leaks and hidden weaknesses. This proactive approach saves you from costly repairs and delays during your renovation. Start your renovation the right way. Test for leaks, inspect carefully, and build a strong foundation for your project's success.